We are pleased to show you the 2020 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, leather upholstery, audio radio, touchscreen display. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.